tunga sa dagat, di nagsugod ang tanan. A piece of history under the golden sun. Walking through the trails of the first mass site, a spiritual journey, a beautiful sight. From the stairs of the shrine to the blue of the sea, Limasawa is the place to be. Talina sa Limasawa, feel the island breeze. Put your heart and your mind at ease. Sa Dakdak Beach Resort, ang balas puti kaayo sa Amy's Beach. Welcome ang matagtawo. Discover the beauty, the history, the pride, with the waves and the spirit as your guide. Looking for adventure? Go to South Parola. Watch the horizon, feel the mana. Dive into the waters of Gennesaret, a moment so calm you'll catch your breath. From the lagoons to the hills so green, the most peaceful place you've ever seen. And if you need a smile, a helping hand to see the way, our Miss Limasawa, she'll always here to brighten your day. She'll guide you through our culture, our stories and our land. With the warmth of a local, she'll take you by the hand. Sa Limasawa, feel the island breeze. Put your heart and your mind at ease. Sa Dakdak Beach Resort, ang balas puti kaayo sa Amy's Beach. Welcome ang matagtawo. Discover the beauty, the history, the pride, with the waves and the spirit as your guide. Limasawa, di nang kasing-kasing mahulay. Limasawa, come and stay. Sheila will be happy to assist you. See you in Limasawa.